The state school aid budget is waiting for Governor Gretchen Whitmer's signature. Lawmakers passed the budget after a marathon session before the holiday weekend. It's a little more than $19.8 billion, which is a 7% decrease from last year. Governor Whitmer is celebrating the passage, specifically noting the funding for literacy. While there are supporters of this, some education leaders have concerns.
It was both late and done poorly, unfortunately.
With the July 1st deadline, the budget wasn't passed until July 3rd. Robert McCann is the executive director of the K-12 Alliance of Michigan. As he explains, the budget is more than $1.5 billion less than last year.
That means a significant additional loss in support for the upcoming school year, and that has real consequences for every single school and every single student within it.
According to lawmakers, the reduced funding is because of a decrease in federal dollars. State Board of Education President Dr. Pamela Pugh says she too is concerned about the loss of money.
We did see a cut for the Department of Education, so I'm just looking at what that means. I know that Dr. Maleko, the State Superintendent of Public Instruction, and those at Michigan Department of Education are working to make sure that we're able to fill those gaps.
Dr. Pugh believes the budget puts students first.
A budget that prioritizes literacy, that prioritizes our children having well-balanced meals, making sure that we are codifying weighted funding, meaning that we have more equitable funding for our children who are English language learners, as well as economically disadvantaged students.
There's also an increase to per-pupil funding. That's going up $250. Some have criticized how the school aid budget in recent years has included money for higher education. In previous years, Michigan colleges and universities were given money through the general fund. That's not the case anymore.
In this year's budget alone, $2 billion that would have been spent inside your classrooms this upcoming school year just simply aren't going to be, because of that budget transfer that they are doing to move community colleges and higher education into that school aid fund.
Over the past 3 decades, the school aid budget in Michigan has gone from a little more than $8 billion to more than $21 billion. This budget is for the fiscal year 2026 to 2027 and still needs Governor Gretchen Whitmer's signature to become law.